Good morning, YouTube, and good morning, Miami. Today is day 2 of our Miami trip, and I'm going to eat breakfast at Al now. That is an Israeli chain, and it happens to be in Miami Beach, literally the building right next to us. So that's fun. Also, there's a lot of wind today, so excuse the audio. So I got a bike from the hotel, which is free, and we love free. So yeah, we just got the bike from the hotel, and we're gonna go riding on the beach. What is this music? Let's tune some different music, the one that actually fits this video.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Web hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man. In the mall with him, I'ma have a ball with him. Somebody call Rihanna, I'ma buy some draws with him. He fucking with the stallion cause he into wild women. Put them legs on his head, now he love tall women. You'll never catch me calling these.
Guys, I literally just had the best bike ride of my life. I was riding all the way down to the end of Miami Beach, and then I saw a drag show. Like, that was literally amazing. And the people here are so nice. She gave me a bottle of water and said, like, she was talking to me about the drag queens, and I was like, they're so good. She was like, yeah, literally. And it's just, I love Miami. I wouldn't want to live here though. I just like it. We are going to the beach, y'all, so let's go to the beach.
Let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't give a shit. I'm on the floor. I love to dance.
So that water was way too violent, so I'm gonna ride my bike again because I got no time for that. And I'm trying to go back to that drag club because shit was lit.
Get it from my man, bought me, what's now?
Great tricks, I think we got one.
It's trap season, bro.
Who that, Trap?
Material girl.
I want Chanel 9 boots. Saw these niggas steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth.
Material girl.
And I get it from my mammy ball main bust downs. These hoes can't stand me.
Material girl.
Currently working on a Grammy. Meanwhile, pussy popping with your man in Miami.
Material girl.
Chanel's and pearls, that's the trick that it take to keep the grubs. Chopping bitches down like it was sister hands. I don't want no petty money, nigga, run no bands. Private island living, chillin' with 2 can stand. Fucking billionaire ballers, rap shit got me grand. Motorsport, do the dead, strike the top in the limb. Chanel bags, that'll make me know it. You need a hot girl, boy, you gon' have to show it. You wanna taste, baby boy, you gon' have to throw it. Deposit all accounts, baby, keep the cash flowing. Bust down wrist, but the bust down, keep them going. Hennessy on my lips, take a sip. I like my niggas laid, don't come here with no chips. How much is you paying? I don't speak broke boy language. You can leave with the crew that you came with. Me and my bitches ain't playing. Ice me out, nigga, like Elsa. Fly me out, private jet, no Delta. You can send your bitch back to the shelter. You ain't got no money, bitch, I can't help you. I want Chanel 9 boots, saw these niggas.
The result of today, as you see. not fun. But I'm gonna do another video tomorrow, maybe. Hope so, if I have the stamina. But like, literally, look, I'm so sunburnt. Like, look at that. I tan easily, but I'm on Accutane, so this is what happens when you put a little sunscreen. But I'm gonna go to sleep now. I really hope you enjoyed the video. So good night. Bye bye.